The search tool is comprised of two main components: search input and search results. The search input box appears below the search button when the search tool is activated. In this box, you are able to select which type of search you would like to perform, enter the parameters, and begin a search. The Search By drop-down list contains a listing of the searches configured for your site. Once you select a search type, the appropriate parameters will appear in the form below. There are three types of controls used to input search parameters: simple text boxes, autocomplete text boxes, and drop-down lists. A simple text box allows you to enter any text you would like as a search term for the field indicated. An autocomplete text box will provide suggestions for your search based on what has been entered in the text box. For example, if I start typing the first few letters of the name, it will give me some suggestions. However, you are not required to use a suggestion from the list. A drop-down list allows you to select a search parameter from a predefined list of values. To open the list, use the arrow on the right side of the control and scroll to find your desired parameter. You can also begin typing the first few letters of the item you would like to jump directly to. For example, let's search for a specific street. To do this, we would search by physical address, so that the street name parameter will appear with another drop-down box. And you can start typing to jump to the street you're looking for or scroll until you find it. I am looking for Adam Boulevard. Once you have entered your search parameters, click the search button on the bottom of the input form to execute your search. Once the search is complete, the results will appear in an info box in the bottom left corner of your screen. This info box contains the results of your search along with a close button that will hide the info box and an export button that will generate a CSV file containing all of the results of your search along with the attributes of each result. The results are initially shown in a summary view with the title bar and the first three result fields visible. To zoom directly to a particular result, click on that result and the map will focus on that item. The title bar of the result will turn blue to indicate it is the selected item. To view more details for a particular result, click the More link at the bottom of the result listing and more information about that item will appear. To collapse a result back to the summary view, simply click the Less link. A search result can be linked to a different application using the Details link at the bottom of the result. Now this may depend on your setup and is not available on all sites. An individual item can be printed using the Print Info link. And the final two controls on the search results allow you to view Google Street View images and pictometry imagery, if configured on your site, of the selected search result. These tools are located in the title bar of the search result, and both tools show a pop-up view of the associated imagery in the middle of your screen.